We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this 55-inch Hisense TV. This is a Black Friday special from Walmart. And we're going to do a install of it and startup and testing and a quick overview. So let's get started by unboxing it. And inside the top, the first thing we'll see is one of the stands, the remote, instructions and warranty papers, the power cord, and the other stand. So pull the foam out. And television. And that is the quick unboxing of the Hisense television. And we've got the plastic protection off to the side here. We've got the stands and the instructions, everything that came with it, the battery, the cord, these M6 studs, and some screws for mounting the feet. The quick setup guide we'll look at later. The remote, and like I said, it came with the batteries for the remote. So we'll go ahead and we'll install the legs. And the legs only go one direction. You'll see it has a little T on the back, and it has to line up with that T in here. Make sure they're tight. That one's good. That one's good. We'll stand it up. Nice and sturdy. I'll spin it 180. And we'll see where the power cord goes in at. And our power cord goes in right there. So it is ready. So we'll take the TV and mount it next. We're setting on the dresser, actually. And I'll be installing it above this dresser right here. And that's where my old TV was. So that should sit right on top of the dresser. And see if it fits. Yes, it does. So it does fit on top of the dresser. And I'll finish pulling the rest of this plastic off. Get this last film layer here. And we'll install the batteries in a remote. This is a little unique. You see how the minuses are both on the bottom? A lot of times those are opposites. But that kind of keeps it simple. Minuses down. And a cover on. Okay, we'll go ahead and power it up. And the power is on. We are on setup mode. And you see, you can pick your language. And I don't know how you want to set yours up. So I might, there you go. So I'm going to skip this part so you don't know my Wi-Fi information. Okay, so we have our TV set up. Wasn't very hard. And I went through and added some other personal favorites. So I've got YouTube up there. So we'll go ahead and click that. Okay, so it looks like the TV's working. I had to do one of my own personal videos. And that TV will be getting replaced too. I ended up picking up a 75-inch Vizio to replace that one. The TV that is being replaced is this Element TV here. And I believe it's about a 52-inch TV. And it was not a smart TV, so it relied on one of these for Wi-Fi. And it did not buffer as much as a TV that is replacing it. So it does not speak well for the new TV when this $20 ONN Wi-Fi thing did not buffer as much, except for towards the end. This Element TV stopped receiving anything in except for just cable TV or over the antenna TV, I should say, was the only thing left it would do. So, but just a little more information. I am seeing a little bit of buffing. Otherwise, so far good. So watch in the comments. If I have any future problems with this TV, I'll put them in the comments. If you have any issues with this TV, also put it in the comments. It'll help other people make decisions if they want to get one of these TVs or not. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.